In Oyo State of Nigeria, explosives stored by illegal miners have triggered a big blast that killed and injured a lot of people. The explosives that were stored at a private residence detonated and caused a mega damage in the city of Ibadan. As a result, several houses collapsed. A large number of vehicles and properties were destroyed in the blast that was felt in different parts of the state. The state governor, Sheyi Makinde, who was on the scene of the explosion to ascertain the level of damage, said investigations are ongoing to find out those responsible. He explained that search and rescue operations are still ongoing as the government will provide temporary accommodation for those who lost their homes.